What you do to me, come to your place, cause the love you give.
I wanted to show you guys a few packages I got. Look, it's a double rainbow. And make sure that you brown your butter. Brown your butter.
Love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chelsea. And today we're going to be making cookies. Yay. Chip hazelnut brown butter cookies. So.
Yes.
While we wait for our brown butter to cool down, because you do want that to cool down completely, I wanted to show you guys a few packages I got. So I did go ahead and order my save the date engagement pictures. I ordered that dress from SHEIN and it came, and I also ordered my birthday dress because my birthday is August 15th, so I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, go out a little bit for that. I have a few plans, and that's just gonna be a whole vlog in itself. So I ordered my birthday dress, my engagement dress, and my wedding shoes and engagement shoes. So I wanted to show you guys that, what I got in the mail. So we're gonna open it together, fingers crossed, because my birthday is in 2 weeks. So let's go ahead and open some packages. All right, so I want to show you guys what I got from SHEIN. Alright, so very excited. This is the first dress that I got. Very excited about this. Now, like I said, it's my birthday dress, so leave me alone. But I think this is, hold on. So I think this is the top, and I'll include a picture here of what it looks like on the person. But yes, I'm so excited. It has all these rips in it. And then I'm also going to Cricut it, and I'll show you. Yes, that's one. And then this is the one I was a little worried about. So, like I said, this is going to be my engagement dress. And also for my pictures. Ooh. Oh, it's so cute. I love it.
I know what you call it.
And these are the sleeves, so they're nice and poofy. Oh, I love it. It's a little short, not even gonna hold you, but it's very stretchy, so I hope it fits and looks cute on me. I'm very excited.
Mommy, what about the last one?
Alright, so that was the dress. This is the dress. I love it. So, very excited about that. I also ordered some boob tape and tape up the girls. Alright, and then these are my engagement shoes, wedding shoes, whatever you want to call it. But I just think they're so cute. They have these little pearl detailing and then a cute little bow on the back. I just think they're perfect, and not too much of a heel because I'm going to be doing stuff like drinking and dancing and stuff like that. So I want to be able to actually enjoy myself. So yay, I'm so happy with everything. And my birthday dress was $7, and my engagement dress that I'm going to be taking pictures in was $17, and the shoes were $20. wow. So yeah, I'm really excited, really happy with that. Yay. So that was my little haul from SHEIN that I ordered. And yeah. Alright guys, like I mentioned, we're making brown butter cookies. Hazelnut brown butter cookies. And you do want to make sure that you brown your butter. Brown your butter. It makes your cookies taste so much better. So much better. So brown that butter. I promise you, it's the secret. Try it out. Alright, Elizabeth. And Elizabeth wants to show you guys her chocolate chip cookies that she's going to put in there. Alright.
Come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. There's no one else can do what you do. That's bottom line, spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is mine.
Look, it's a double rainbow.